Hi guys, Ms. Brewster here. I'm going to tell you about our first activity for math. It's called the 4 fours. The objective of this activity is to use all 4 operations and the number 4 times to create equations that equal the numbers 1 through 20. So you're going to take your blank piece of paper that you should have, or if you don't have it, pause the video right now, go grab a blank piece of paper, and you need a writing implement. I would recommend a pencil. Unfortunately, I just have a pen sitting right next to me, so I'm going to use that. You're going to label your blank piece of paper 1 through 20, like so. I'm going to make 2 columns, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down the first column, then I'm going to start midway through the paper. I'm going to do 11 through 20, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. If it helps, sometimes you can, if you fold the paper over, that'll give you a nice second line to draw your second column on. But now I have the numbers 1 through 20. So now I need to use 4 fours, and this is where a pencil, I'm going to find a pencil. I have one right here. This is where a pencil is going to come in handy because I need to use 4 fours and any of the operations. So I'm going to start with, let's see, I'm just going to start with 4. And if I have 4 and I add 4, I get 8. So this is where you might need another piece of paper. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. So 4 plus 4 minus 4 is 8 minus 4 is 4. Plus 4 equals 8. So if I have the equation 4 plus 4 minus 4 plus 4, I get 8. 4 plus 4, 8 minus 4, 4 plus 4, 8. Double check. I'm going to go over to my other page, and I'm going to fill that in right in my 8. So my equation was 4 plus 4 minus 4 plus 4. Now you may be able to think of a different equation using 4s and the 4 operations to equal 8. But do you notice how I used 4 fours and different operations? I don't have to use all the operations because that would be very, very hard and quite maybe impossible. I don't know. One tip or trick that I would think about when you're doing this is if you have this right there. Ooh, what is that? That's 4 over 4 or 4 divided by 4. What's 4 divided by 4? It's a fraction. Yeah, it's 1. So I can use that as 1. So let's see. If I start with 4 fourths, 1, and then I times that by 4. So 4 fourths times 4 is 4. And then I times that by 4, I get 16. So to find 16 over here, I'm doing 4 divided by 4 fourths, which is 1, times 4, times 4. And I end up with 16. All right. So your job is to see how many of these you can fill out. Now, some of them are really tricky, and I would recommend putting a scrap paper next to you and just kind of starting with a number and seeing where it takes you. But this is important, that this is a tough thing, but you can wrap your head around it and you can do it. You might need to go slowly and think, but you've got it. You've got everything you need right here in your brain. So go ahead, create your paper, start making those numbers. You're going to bring this paper with you to class tomorrow, and we're going to see how many of them we've got. Okay? Good luck.